These are the important MCQs from the chapter Cell, the Unit of Life. 1. Plasmodesmata are A. Locomotory structures, B. Membrane connecting the nucleus with plasma lemma, connections between adjacent cells, D. Lignified cemented layers between cells. Answer option C. Connection between adjacent cells. 2. Cytoskeleton is made up of A. Callose deposits, B. Cellulosic microfibrils, C. Proteinaceous filament, D. Calcium carbonate granules. Answer option C. Proteinaceous filaments. Middle lamella is composed mainly of A. Muramic acid, B. Calcium pectate, C. Phosphoglycerides, hemicellulose. Answer option B. Calcium pectate. Which one of the following has its own DNA? Option A. Mitochondria, B. Dictyosome, lysosome, peroxisome. Option A. Mitochondria. The main of various type of activities of a cell is A. Plasma membrane, B. Cytoplasm, C. Mitochondrion, D. Nucleus. Answer option B. Cytoplasm. An elaborate network of filamentous proteinous structures present in the cytoplasm which helps in maintenance of cell shape is called Option A. Thylakoid, B. Endoplasmic reticulum, C. Plasma lemma, D. Cytoskeleton. Option D. Cytoskeleton.